Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Open Gmail and click your circular profile icon at the top right. Once done, choose Manage your Google account to reach settings. This centralizes identity controls. Make sure you use the exact account you intend to change because Google links this picture across services. You'll go to the Personal Info tab next. That's where Profile Photo controls live. This first action moves you from inbox to account settings quickly, so you can change your image. Once you're in Personal Info, click the Profile Photo area to open the Upload dialog. You can select Upload and drag a file from your computer, or pick Take Photo if your device supports it. Make sure the image is clear and professional. Google auto-crops to a circle, so position and zoom before you confirm. After you crop and rotate as needed, click Set as Profile Photo. This commits the change. Give it a moment to propagate, because sync can take a minute across devices. You're almost done. After setting the photo, refresh Gmail or sign out and back in so the new image appears. If it doesn't update, clear your browser cache and cookies, or try another browser or the Gmail mobile app. Sometimes propagation stalls locally. Also check file type and size. Use a JPEG or PNG and keep dimensions reasonable. If problems persist, confirm you changed the correct Google account. That single troubleshooting tip, clear cache and re-login, fixes most display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.